The designer is known for his sophisticated and versatile dress design, blending modern aesthetics with classic elegance. His collection features a range of silhouettes from mini to floral length gowns crafted with luxurious fabrics sourced from Italy and New York. Each season introduces new style while evolving timeless cut, ensuring a focus on impeccable fit and tactile appeal. The designer presents outfits that seamlessly transition from runway to real life. Notable pieces include a double front leather moto jacket paired with a striped skirt and faded jeans, exemplifying his approach to luxury American sportswear. Fashion landscape is embracing a blend of bold self-expression and nod to classic aesthetics. Here are some prominent dress style trends making waves this year. Old Hollywood glamour, the timeless elegance of old Hollywood is making a comeback with strapless dresses paired with delicate scarves or innovative halter style reminiscent of icons like Grace Kelly and Marilyn Monroe. Candy color hues, vibrant candy color palettes are infusing wardrobe with playful energy. Designers are incorporating sheer material to create ethereal and romantic silhouettes, offering a modern twist on traditional dress form. Popular styles are bodycon dresses. These form-fitting dresses hug the body, offering featuring materials like spandex or stretched denim for comfort and flexibility. They may include Western-inspired details such as stitching and pattern. Denim dresses, slim-fit denim dresses offer a modern twist on traditional Western attire, available in various washes and lengths, and often adorned with buttons or embroidery. Fringe and embroidery accents, incorporating fringe or embroidered details, add a Western flair to tight. These dresses offer a diverse range of bodycon dresses that can be styled to achieve a Western inspired look. Their collection include various colors and designs suitable for different occasions. These dresses features a selection of bodycon dresses with options that can be accessorized to reflect Western fashion element. Their dresses are known for their flattering fits and stylish design. Country Outfitter is specialized in Western wear, including dresses that combine traditional Western style with modern slim fit design. Their collection include denim dresses and pieces with fringe or embroidery. When selecting a slim fit Western dresses, consider the occasion and your comfort. Opt for high quality fabrics with some stretch to ensure ease of movements. Whether attending a country themed event or looking to infuse Western element into your wardrobe, these dresses offer a fashionable and flattering option. This soft, muted, beautiful shade color is emerging as favorite, providing a fresh alternative to traditional neutrals. These tradition and trend reflect a dynamic fusion of nostalgia and contemporary flair, offering diverse options for those looking to update their wardrobes.